This is means you are not responsible, or you will not be held responsible to guide anybody. So Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes, it's addressed to Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam that you are not answerable to what people do. Your responsibility is to convey the message correctly, and as such you are Allah's Rasul, to convey it clearly and emphatically. After that, people let people alone, whether they follow your message or not. Don't be over much worried for their sake, because you have realized your responsibility, you have exercised your responsibility, and that is all that you have to do. In fact, Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to be very worried about those people who did not listen to him. And in some verses of the Quran it is mentioned that will you destroy yourself for the sake of those people who do not believe in you?